Dear students, the subject that I teach you is the principles of insurance. Today our topic is types of general insurance. So let's talk on what are the types of general insurance and what is the general insurance. Lecture student will be able to learn what is the general insurance and what are the types of general insurance. And last, we differentiate the life and general insurance. As we know, life is full of risks. That is what makes it so interesting and exciting. But some unexpected events can really set you back. General insurance helps us protect ourselves and the things we value, like our home, our cars, and our valuables, from the financial impact of risks, big and small, from fire, flood, storm, and earthquake, to theft, car accidents, and travel mishaps. General insurance is a non-life policy. A general insurance is a contract that offers financial compensation on any loss other than death. It insures everything apart from life. A general insurance compensates you for financial loss due to liabilities related to your house, car, bike, health, travel, and so on. Insurance company promises to pay you a sum assured to cover damages to your vehicles, medical treatments to cure health problems, losses due to theft or fire, or even financial problems during travel. In other words, we can say general insurance offers financial protection for all your assets against loss, damage, theft, and other liabilities. It is different from life insurance. It refers to several forms of insurance covers that last for a particular period of time, mostly 1 year. However, some plans might have a long-term validity. Here, our mind raises a question: why we need general insurance? Consider this scenario. You catch a cold, but work keeps you busy. Eventually, the cold worsens into pneumonia. You need to be admitted in the ICU for a week. It costs you 60,000 for the hospital charges and 10,000 for the treatment. Health insurance worth 3,500 rupees could have insured you, paid zero from your pocket. As you can see, general insurance can be the answer to life's various problems. You can get almost anything and everything insured. There are many types of general insurance, but here we discuss health insurance, motor insurance, travel insurance, home insurance, and last, fire insurance. Health insurance is an essential risk mitigating tool. Health insurance prevents out-of-pocket expenses while dealing with a medical emergency. A general health insurance plan is an indemnity plan that pays for hospitalization expenses up to the sum insured, while you can avail a stand-alone health policy. Family floater plans provide coverage to all the members of your family. Health insurance covers only 10% of our population. On the other hand, critical illness plans are fixed benefit plans which provide a lump sum upon diagnosis of critical ailment, taking care of pre and post hospitalizations cost. These plans help take care of astronomical costs associated with the treatment of critical ailments. With 85% of all road deaths worldwide estimated to cover in developing countries where road safety capability is just being developed, the scale of the human tragedy is unlikely to decrease in the foreseeable future. Many countries made motor insurance mandatory for your safety and the safety of others. Motor insurance is for your car or bike, what health insurance is for your health. As name suggests, a motor insurance provides coverage for all vehicles like cars, two-wheelers, and trucks used for both personal as well as commercial purposes. It is a general insurance cover that offers financial protection to your vehicles from loss due to accident, damage, theft, fire, or natural calamities. In India, you can't drive or ride without motor insurance, as motor insurance is commonly provided by the private sectors. I give you here one example. EFU Pakistan provides a full range of products for all kinds of vehicles, either being private, commercial, or motorcycles. A travel insurance compensates you or pays for any financial liabilities arising out of medical and non-medical emergencies during your travel abroad or within the country. I explain it more by taking an example. A vacation is really an investment in your happiness. And when And when that vacation starts off with a cancelled flight, a missed connection, a missing bag, or another travel hiccup, that happy travel feeling fades. Travel insurance can help make these situations better. Travel delay benefits can reimburse you for additional accommodation, travel expenses, and lost prepaid expenses due to a covered departure delay of 6 or more hours. Baggage delay benefits can reimburse you for the reasonable additional purchase of essential items during your trip. If your baggage is delayed or misdirected by a common carrier for 24 hours or more. Here we discuss two types of travel insurance. There are two types of travel insurance. The first one is the single trip policy. Second is annual multi-trip policy. Let's start with the single trip policy. It covers you during a trip that lasts under 180 days. The annual multi-trip policy covers you for several trips you take within a year. Insurance is a huge part of lives today. From the smallest to the largest asset, insurance has become a necessity. We insure our phones, our holidays, and most other gadgets come with insurance. So, how can we not insure our immovable properties, which are one of the most valuable assets that one can invest in? Your home is one of your most valuable possessions. It contains all your belongings, memories, and comforts. It makes sense then that ensuring it is fully secure is one of the most important things you can do. However, we know that despite the best security protection measures that we put in place, there is still the risk of theft, damage, and natural disasters occurring that we can never fully eliminate. These things can impact our lives and destroy our homes in more ways than one. To protect your home, should any of these issues occur, you will need home insurance. Home insurance. So now we discuss here what is the home insurance. Home insurance is a cover that pays or compensates you for damage to your home due to natural calamities, man-made disasters, or any other threats. So it covers liabilities due to fire, robbery, theft, flood, earthquakes, and other damages. It not only offers financial protection to your home but also takes care of the valuables inside the property. Some home insurance policies also provide coverage for temporary living expenses in case you are living on rent due to your home undergoing renovation. So I give you example that the Jubilee General Insurance Company is offering home insurance with intention to provide the maximum risk coverage for the home contents and building. Fire insurance. A fire insurance is one such policy in which an individual agrees to pay a certain sum of money to the insurer in exchange to get benefits for the fire losses. An insurance policy offers the comprehensive security for stocks, business buildings, and home. The policy offers financial security by covering losses or damages that may arise due to fire loss or damages. Fire insurance. The fire insurance is essential for the business because it helps to protect from the damages which is occurred by the fire by industrial development of any country. Fire insurance. The fire insurance plays vital role by giving the certainty of paying financially against losses of an entrepreneur, businessman, or industry owner for such insurance policy taken by them. Fire insurance covers the cost of reconstruction, the cost of replacement, the cost of repair. The loss can be ascertained only after the fire has occurred. In this slide, I discuss the difference between life and general insurance. The first point is the life insurance covers your life and also has provision to provide a savings and investment avenue. Savings here mean the benefit on maturity. Take an example. If the policyholder outlives the policy period, he or she can get back the premium paid over the years. Whereas the general insurance is a contract of indemnity covering non-life assets. It is a promise to make good on your losses but with no savings or investment avenue. That is, if the claim is not made, no part of the premium can be got back. The second point is the contract term. In life insurance, long-term contract that requires paying premiums for several years, whereas in general insurance, annual contracts which need to be renewed every year. The third point is payment of claim. in life insurance is payable in case of the death of the policyholder during the policy term or on policy maturity, whereas in general insurance reimbursed during an eventuality. The fourth point, savings component. In life insurance, the saving component is present, whereas the general insurance it is absent. These are the top insurance companies that are working in the Pakistan, and they are offering the general insurance as well as life insurance.